Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove the rear bumper on a Volvo S60. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then open the trunk and remove cargo to access fasteners. Remove rear wheel well liners to reveal hidden screws and clips. Keep fasteners organized and take photos of connector locations. Work methodically from the outside edges toward the center to safely free the bumper without damage. Begin by removing tail light assemblies to expose inner bumper screws, using a 10 mm socket for the bolts. Unclip and remove the small plastic trim pieces along the edge of the bumper, working slowly to avoid snap tabs. Disconnect any electrical connectors and label them with tape so reassembly is straightforward. Keep each set of fasteners grouped by location to save time and frustration when putting everything back together. Loosen the center lower screws and remove any remaining fasteners, then inspect wheel wells for hidden clips. With an assistant, support the bumper and gently pull outward to disengage the clips evenly on both sides. Watch for wiring harnesses like parking sensors or fog lights and disconnect them before fully removing the bumper. Place the bumper on a soft surface to avoid scratches while you perform repairs or paint work.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.